In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can increase or reduce the volume of your audio or music in KineMaster app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. Now, the first thing you need to do to either reduce or increase the audio volume is to go ahead and select the audio track like this. And once you have selected, you can see we have this option called volume envelope. So if you go ahead and tap on it, you can now either adjust this volume by reducing it or increasing it further. So go ahead and adjust to the level and then listen into your audio. And once you're comfortable, you can leave it at that and go back. And once you go back, your changes will be applied immediately. So that's how you change the volume of your audio in KineMaster. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.